Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale RWB 930 Garuda from Tarmac Works. So this is the car out of its plastic cover and a quick overview of its paper sleeve. It has a Japanese roadside shop illustration as a background for the car. It looks really beautiful and I'll show it to you now when I take out the car. So that's the illustration and that's the car, and it also includes this beautiful golden colored collector's card, and this is car number 1418. So let's take a look at the car. The acrylic cover is a bit tight. This car is finished in a beautiful metallic golden yellow color. So now let's zoom in to all of its details. Starting off at the front, we have this beautiful Porsche logo and bonnet clips which are photo etched. They really make the car look real. And that's the side profile. And that's the back side of the car. It has the characteristic RWB rear wing. The right side has a number 500 decal which is not present on the other side. Tarmac Works also released an Indonesia special edition called the Garuda Track Day, which had more decals and had different wheels, but both the cars had the same idlers tires. Both the sides have Garuda writing, and on this side there is a Drive for Paul decal as a tribute to the late actor Paul Walker. And let's look at the interior now. It features a sliding window on both sides and also a green colored 6-point seatbelt harness. It has Takata branding and a raw welt banner on the front windscreen, and this is the passenger side. It also has the same sliding windows. It has a roll cage at the back and has some Japanese writing on the rear windscreen. The side mirrors have chrome inserts and they reflect really well. There's also a Garuda logo on the rear wing. The front bumper has canards and a red tow hook. Interestingly, at the front side there's a Thailand license plate, but at the back side there's a Japanese license plate, and I believe it's the same as on the real car. There's a black RWB decal as well. So now I'll just unscrew it and show you the chassis. So this is the base, and that's the car. And as you can see, the front splitter is really well detailed, and it also has a German writing as on the real car. The wipers are separate and are not molded in with the windshield. The rear fenders have a wing-like structure. I'm not sure what they're called, but they really do look nice. And that's the base, which is made out of plastic. There's a Garuda Indonesia decal on the rear wing, and those are the exhaust tips. Surprisingly, this car has free rolling wheels, unlike other Tarmacs which have almost non-rolling wheels. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.